3p. 3p is equal to 3 open bracket. What is p? P is 3 to 4, 5. 3 to 4, 5. So I multiply each members, all elements in this p, by what? 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. This is what? 3p. What I need again is 4i. 4i. 4i, this is the equality sign. 4i is equal to 4, open bracket, I is 1, 0, 0, 1. So we multiply each member by what? 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. This is what I have. I'll get all what I need here. Then have to write the equation again. I'll follow up. You have p squared minus 3p plus 4i is equal to a, b, c, d. So p squared is this 17, 16, 17, 16, 32, 33. Minus 3p. 3p is this 9, 6, 12, 15. Then plus 4i. 4i is 40, 0, 4. Then equal to A, B, C, and D. Then I'll do this according to what? Law of in the law of Bodmer's addition comes before subtraction. You have to add up this first. 17 plus 4 is 21. 16 plus 0 is 16. 32 plus 0, 32. 33 plus 4, that's 37. Then now subtract by this 9, 6, 12, 15 is equals to A, B, C, D. So we now subtract 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9, which is what? 12. 16 minus 6, 10. 32 minus 12, 20. Then 37 minus 15. We have 22 is equal to A, B, C, D. There's what is called equality what? Matrices. If you look at it, the position of A here is 12, position of B here is 10, position of C here is 20, position of D here is 22. You now say therefore, A is equal to 12, comma, B is equal to 10, comma, C is equal to 20, and D is equal to 22 respectively. This is all what I have for you in this video. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and see more of my video. Thank you and peace out.